Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Grains are a little bit lower overnight, led by the wheat market. I think we have, first of all, a big debate going on as far as South American weather is concerned. First of all, over the next 10 days, you're going to see record heat across Argentina and parts of Paraguay and southern Brazil with no rain. Yesterday, there was some estimates coming out about the Brazilian soybean crop down as much as 13 million tons from the USDA numbers, and Argentina down 5. In the corn, Brazil corn maybe down somewhere around 5 million tons, and Argentina also down 5 million tons. The thing about Argentina is 40% of their corn crop is an early variety, which is pollinating right now in 100 degrees plus temperatures, and some highs in the next 10 days could be 115 degrees. So we saw Argentina lower their crop ratings for both corn and soybeans and raise the percentage of their crop land that is in dry soils. The one bright spot in Argentina is their wheat harvest is done, and it looks like their conditions were favorable and that they will have more wheat to export. Also in the wheat market, you're seeing Australia offering wheat for export. They have some limitations on their export capacity, but all this plus the fact that French wheat prices are lower than U.S. and our weekly export sales data were disappointing yesterday continues to weigh on wheat futures below support. Wheat futures are becoming very oversold. But we need a catalyst to push higher. We did see that our weather person today came out with a special report laying out the foundation that we could see a dry spring this year in the U.S. plains and possibly in the summer, the western corn belt. Before then, we'll probably be seeing some shots of cold air moving across much of the northern plains and Midwest, but it's not expected to hurt the winter wheat crop, but it could cause some logistics problems about movement of rail and barge and also trucks. We also note that he would extend this dryness in the summer if in February the PDO remains negative, La Nina continues to be around, and there's some kind of multi-year cycles of dry weather that date back to the 1930s. So all these things could provide some underlying support. We also saw yesterday weak corn and soybean export sales, but if the numbers are down in South America, we could see some late U.S. corn and soybean exports. Outside markets are watching the jobs data, commodities trying to recover from the hawkish comments by the Fed chairman. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.